Opportunity.
We have one more. Oh, two more actually.
Yeah.
Is that good?
Yes. That's good. Yes! And then we have to run it with it. Oh!
That's so cute.
Okay, good, good. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. We're excited to appear. Oh, wait. Oh, you're wearing the hat. I was like, where did I put the hat? Oh my gosh. That's us. Yay. We're so cute. We turned into that little tiny dog. Right there.
Yeah, they appear again, but on the other side.
He takes people on rides.
He's gonna charge you for the video.
Bruh. Well, I'm in here. We made it! And it's literally soaking wet. I don't know why there are police. Yeah. Walkers, I don't know why. It's right here. We're here. And it's pouring rain. We're so, oh my god, Memo. That's crazy. The sacrifices we made. Yeah, that's it. It's still pouring outside. This is what we got. It looks amazing. We're drying off, and in the meantime, we are drinking our drinks. This one's quite strong. It's pretty bitter, but I like it. Strong flavor, not that sweet, and lovely color. This is his. He's almost done. What do you think about it?
Pretty good.
And that's outside. The rain has let up most of the power, but it's still raining a little bit. We went to, Udon Lab. We're going to explore Koreatown just a little bit.
This is Koreatown.
Yeah, this is Koreatown. Look, it's a source. Yeah, you want to go to H Mart? No, right? Because we have H Mart. Yeah, it's bigger, yeah. Plan to be. Bubble tea, they have a lot of bubble tea around here. To le jour.
K-Town Culture.
They have a lot of karaoke places too, but they're on like the second floor. You see? Chorus, private room, bar, lounge. This is so cute. Let's cross the street. I got my mom one of these ones. She was so happy. Allá tenían ropa, pero ya no. ID holders. That's cute.
For your like ID.
Work ID, yeah. Oh, look at these cats. Oh, this one's cute. Gabby would like this.
Look at the
For her school ID. Al fondo? Okay. Mire las cositas para que aprendan a cómo usar. We're going down to the men's section, level -1 in H&M. Are you excited? I'm using my phone because I don't want to take my camera out while it's raining, and then have to take it back into my backpack and out and in and out. So mejor I'll just, oh, this one's really nice. Mejor just vlog on my phone for now until the rain is gone. He's trying on this, I don't know what this is called, slim fit saco. Let me see. You like it? It's too long though. Is it a skirt or is it a top? It might be a top.
It's cool.
Check this. I don't know then. It's cute though. It could be a top, yeah. This is the second floor of H&M. We're trying to reach the top floor. We're all the way at the top. Cute kids' dress is so cute. Say I'm just trying to see the view. Yeah, that's why I want to come up here. This is like IKEA. Can we see from here? Wow, we're high up. There's a huge H&M sign that people see from out there, right? Guys, we're actually in Vegas, teleported here. This is the Macy's building. I suggested we go in here because I knew it was gonna be huge. Last time I came here, I was absolutely shocked by how big this place was. I think there are 3 floors here too. So many stores and offerings. Ooh. For the vintage vibes. Isn't that cool? I wonder how old these escalators are. There are 9 floors total. We're gonna see if we make it to the top. They have a McDonald's and Macy's. That's wild. Oh, they have Toys R Us too, babe. They reopened some stores. ¿A dónde se va más para arriba? No. Oh yeah, I see it. Oh my gosh, these baby fits are so cute. It's crazy to think that Chiquitín isn't this small anymore. Oh yeah, maybe they don't have Nike in here. Look, we finally got to the wooden stairs. Wooden stairs. We're on floor 8. We have 1 more floor to go. Administrative. Wow, that's so cool. And they're creaking. Oh, I see what, yeah, I think they go back down like a conveyor belt. Wow. Aquí te puedes dormir, tomarte una siesta for your protection. Please do not sit or lay on the mattress. Bruh. Yeah, we made it to floor 9. Now we're gonna go down to floor 1. We accomplished the task. We went all the way up.
The people went to Chinatown and their girl is coming back to go home. They just came to New York to eat.
Not true. They're gonna make it in time to Times Square.
For like an hour.
Yeah, for like an hour. That's a decent amount of time.
It's better in the dark.
It is better in the dark. They have a coffee maker. Be careful. Oh, that felt so weird. They're so cute. I like these. No sé cuánto cuestan.
175.
Uy, 175. That's wild. And it says original price? No. That is the original price. That's crazy. It costs too much. We have to go down. Big piano. So cute. Oh my gosh, we look so wacky. Look. Why are we so tall here? Macy's Arcade. I have hiccups. Imagine it's Macy's Arcade, then it's like a clown. Oh, this is just a toy store. Lol. There's a huge line for this place called Joe's Pizza. I didn't know it was that popular. I don't know why it's that popular. Since 1975. 1975. Back here, this is the Times Square Tower. This is Times Square. This is the Times Square H&M, but it's under construction.
Guys, comedy show?
Pele. But let's wait. Yeah, but let's wait here.
Like the entrance.
Am I out the way? Look! Look! Literally, isn't that crazy? The song paused when we took the picture. And then when we went back with the group, the song continued. They're playing replays. Bolas. How much are these? I know. Okay. It's nice. Bro. The guys are having a field day here. Edu. They have more messy merch here. They probably cost the same. More messy. Let me check these. I was right. They don't cost the same. They cost more.
This is the authentic. That's why this is so much more.
Memorial Day was so long ago. Brazil. Brasileiro. Oh.
Yeah, you feel the texture. Hi.
How much is that one?
I don't even want to look at the.
I say
148, 149,
150, 160,
148.
or 150. I was right
Wow, that's a lot of money. Which team is this one?
the first time. So you see me,
I like how it looks. The shirt. He's showing me where the baby is. Oh my gosh, gosh, la select. That's so cute. That exit sign goes hard. We're in American Eagle Outfitters now. We have 30 more minutes to go. I like that dress, but not in that color. I don't know if they have any other colors. I don't know why they wanted to come here. I told them. This is so cute. I wanted to scare you. So many of the escalators in Times Square do not work. The sun came out. We're gonna check out lids real quick. Wayner wants to check out a hat. I'm not a big fan of the flat ones. Yeah, I like the ones that are rounded on the top, not like a plate. Here. You end up getting something from the M&M store. Oh, 35? Not bad. Oop. No one heard that. What do you like better? I like this one better. This one's too curly.
I like this one. I like
You
these
like
kind
that
of
one?
hats. They're like
Yeah?
smaller and skinnier.
Let me see.
Do you like it?
You're so cute. Turn around. Yeah, I like it. I like this one.
34 bucks.
It's awesome. We're going to M&M. Oh, look at those slippers. They're so cute. I'm the green one. Low-key, M&M's is kind of like inside out. I like the green one and the brown one. And purple. the M&M dispensers. More M&Ms of all different types of colors. Candies, candies, candies. More colors, more varieties. These little stores are so cute. They have even a little boba shop there. Oh, shoot, shoot. Look at all these people. Chipotle. We're not, right?
Bueno, amados, ¿cuántos disfrutaron este día hoy?
Amén.
El que disfrutó diga yeah.
Yeah.
Amén, amén. De verdad que la pasamos muy bien. Gracias al Departamento de Jóvenes de Vida Familiar por esta actividad. Ahora para salir vamos a tener una oración para salir, para que el Señor nos proteja durante todo el camino. ¿Está bien? Oremos.
Amén. Well, hold on, we're done.
I got it.
Nothing is impossible.
Don't come to New York.
I wish we saw a rat.
I know.
I saw red.
Are
You did?
serious?
Where was it? Empire State Building. We're going into the Lincoln Tunnel. Woo, woo, woo. Te confías. Look. I love seeing this view. You see that? It looks like cobblestone. Someone has some Pikachu balloons. Look at the clouds. They're so beautiful. You see them? Yeah, I'm so glad we're not going into the city. Look at the traffic now. Terrible.
Just pee out.
Oh, I can't grab the other side. IKEA. IKEA. Right? Look at it. Wow. We're probably going to sleep for most of the ride, to be honest. I don't think we're stopping anywhere to eat or to go to the bathroom like we did when we were coming here. So we're just gonna try and sleep through the entire way back home because we need it. Yeah. We were saying that he should have gotten his haircut on Friday before coming here. But he's getting it tomorrow. And the sky is so beautiful. Look at God's creation.
The sky is red.
The sky is red. It looks like the clouds are partially close to us and then there's some further away from us. There's layering effect going on. You see it?
Do you have change?
Guess who's arrived?
Cut that out.
Why? Flowers here are so cute. Look at them, pink and white. All these over there. Now him putting his sunglasses on for the shot. Here we are. Our monthly car wash. So loud. It's baking in here. This is my favorite part. It sounds like a rainforest rainstorm or a rainforest drizzle. So soft. He's right behind me. Dang. We couldn't find any that are right next to each other. Feels like beach out here. Yay! I just found an extra new one I bought. It came in a pack of 4. I am beyond thirsty, and at this point I'm like, should I buy Chick-fil-A water because that water looks super mega cold and it has that nice crunchy ice in it. But then I'm like, why spend money on water when I can just go home and get water with ice for free 99, and I won't run out of it. Thank God. I'm on my way home, and I can't wait to feel air conditioning on my skin again.
I'll do Jesus without the.
That's just instrumental.
Oh,
Yeah.
sure.
Yeah, that's the video.
There you go.
Imagine you guys weren't paying attention, and I put it.
The guy was like, no.
There we go, letra. See now.
See, literally, that's what I'm saying. The flowers messed me
We
up.
have the same flowers.
I know, but it
It's a
messed me up.
pista.
Aw.
Good thing we're singers here.
How about that one?
We are.
Which one?
The one you just passed. It says.
Look at the fish and the dolphin. Levantaré mis manos al cielo. I can't hit that note. Hallelujah. The asphalt is dry, soft. Horchata courtesy of Oli. No. Gosh, look what he did. He stacked up his ices. I don't know.
I feel like we would fit. Bruh.
You like mango better anyway. Aw, thank you, Chris.
The shot
So
is
sweet.
yours.
Oh my god. Where's the lightning? I feel like we're in a car. Ooh. I feel like we're in a car wash. It was super ultra dark when we first came in. But now the sun is starting to come out.
I had to drive all the way to her house, which wasn't okay. Because my baby didn't wake up.
They're not gonna hear you at all. I'm just letting you know. Because the ambient noise is too loud. Like with the motor.
So
going. So guys.
So I had to drive here because my baby didn't wake up. And I had to knock on the door and Blue got scared.
Blue is barking. I've never. I ate the microphone. The pastor was praying. We didn't even know because he's all the way in the front. He finally got here, so we can actually go. What time is it?
25 minutes.
Yeah, we're leaving 25 minutes late.
Or the hermano Tony accounted for this and we leave it on time.
Right, or a little early. Yay! Woo! He's the hero of the trip already. Since 4:30 a.m. Y nos fuimos. Oh, so crazy. That's so cute. Cute. There's some adorable birdies up there. Here at the Delaware Biden Welcome Center.
I don't know what happened
So
to
tired.
my bottle.
What bottle?
My bottle.
What bottle?
My bottle.
You still haven't tied your shoes. You need to tie them. Okay, it was freezing on the bus, so I'm thinking we should get either separate sweaters or one blanket for both of us. A blanket? Where would we find it?
Josh, give us a comment.
Where are we gonna eat? I like these better than these. Because I have a Grinnell shirt that looks almost exactly like this.
They have your size.
Uh-huh. Oh, they have the tie string. They're all tie string. Is this my size? Yeah, okay.
Is it your size?
Yeah, it is my size. Hopefully they have your ties. Boy. It's oatmeal. Really? Yeah, I'm about to put my sugar in there. Uh-huh. Oat milk porridge. And I'm gonna, ew, my strap is on coffee. We're gonna put some raw cane turbinado sugar, turbinado. I don't know how to say it. Raw cane turbinado sugar. I don't know how much to put. I'm gonna put 3 packets, and hopefully that's okay. You got it? Thank you, ma'am.
Oh, brown sugar?
Yeah, brown sugar. Brown sugar is the best
It
with oat
doesn't
milk.
even say the
This is my chai latte.
It's just a chai.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, she said we have like 30 to 40 minutes.
Yeah, I wanna do it.
You do. Or with a spoon. You have to go from the bottom up.
So we got our strawberry lemonade, oatmeal, chai, and this breakfast sandwich.
It's perfect.
Alright, let's
cool.
sit down and then you use the bathroom.
Yeah. Yeah, Tyvus would be like, this is all you need, what do you need? They have Rick Ross chips.
Well, they have
Migos chips. I haven't seen those in years. Huh?
Never mind. Oh, you don't like it?
No, they're not savory, they're just salty.
Oh, you want savory?
Yeah. I don't see anything. Maybe here? Nah. Nothing here. Here? No. Definitely not. There are more chips over there. But nothing that interests me. Tampoco.
El final de tu vida, si no puede ser el comienzo de algo mejor. Porque Él dijo, en medio de la oscuridad sea la luz. Y Jesús dijo, yo soy la luz del mundo.
New York skyline. We just passed by Newark, Elizabeth. I was feeling all of the nostalgia. And I was acting like a tour guide for Olga over here. We're almost there. Everyone's excited. This is not your first time in New York. This is your second time. Or is it your first time? No, second time. You came when you were younger.
I've been here like 6 times.
Actually, 6 times? Really?
I came here with like every time people come.
Oh, okay. I feel like the bus driver is like pushing the metal to the pedal right now. He's like, I'm tired of these people. Let's get there. Right? He's stepping on it? The driver, yes. We have not been going this fast. We're in Bergen. Doing like this carefully and stopping because I think I have eyeliner on, but I literally have not even a single speck of makeup on. Nothing. Or sunscreen, which is terrible. Do you have sunscreen?
You have to go to your sunscreen.
Yeah, I did. I'm gonna see if I can buy something to put on my face. It's pretty good though because I'm mostly covered, except for you. You don't have your arms covered. I need sunscreen on my hands and on my face, my ears, my neck, and then the holes in my jeans. Yeah, ya se echó el baño. Qué pesado. Yeah, I've been here before. This is a Liberty State Marina. Ellis Island! Take me to Ellis Island. Please. Hey! I missed the clapping clip. 8th grade class trip throwback. What? Right now?
Yeah. Like all this trip, like especially when people are taking stuff.
From the upper cabins. It's humid here, guys. That way. That's probably the ferry that we're gonna get on. Of New Jersey. I wonder how old this building is. It's probably ultra mega old.
Does
This is
this
baby
train line
old
still work?
in Jersey.
Does the train line still work?
No, it ends literally right there. Imagine you start it and it goes to a portal back in time and you come out and everyone's wearing suits. Wouldn't that be crazy? No, babe, look. These used to be rails. Look at it. The picture. That's the history. So the trains used to be there. Right here. These used to be the rail. I don't know, babe. You see 2 trains, but there are no trains. I know, babe. Right? It feels so stuck in time. Whoa, we're teleporting. That'd be cool. We're passing by the booths because we think that we already have the tickets. So we don't have to stop by here. Bruh. And they have AC. And they probably don't stink like poopy. No idea. Let's see what I can bring on here. Okay, I'm good. I think we have to go over there.
But do we have to take it?
I think he has the tickets. Where?
Madagascar.
Oh yes!
Let's do it Madagascar.
What do you? Bronx Zoo?
Oh, yeah, whatever.
Madagascar. That's hilarious. Yeah, I have my camera. Yay! I'm vlogging the experience.
Marty.
I've been there before.
Spider-Man.
Where's Spider-Man?
Clearly not here.
He's over there. You don't see him? Just kidding.
Bro, imagine it. Oh,
this is so gross. Yeah, go that way. Michelle thinks that she's gonna throw up, and we're hoping and praying that she doesn't. Oh wait, why are we here? Why don't we be out there?
There's no space out there.
Oh dang. Okay.
Be out there, yeah.
Find a place where we can. Oh, up there, up there. Yeah. Sorry.
No, aquí mejor porque aquí
Oh,
está la
yeah, go ahead. Okay. Yeah, you go over there. I'll go here. But we can open this, I think, right? No, it's okay. We get the air from here anyway, so we're good. Ow, he just punched me. Bro, oh. Why did I think we were levitating, bro? I was like, what is going on?
Y'all, guess what?
Yeah, I have the evidence. Oh, pobrecita.
They're not doing their due diligence correctly. When they took the pepper spray, they were messing around with it like they were gonna keep it.
That's so bad.
So with my knife, I'm pretty sure they're gonna keep my knife. No one's gonna be bad, just being outside, not any of us.
Close. So close, Tiani. But there might be space to stand.
And aft on the first deck, and aft on the second deck. There are 2 stairways, one forward and one aft. Life jackets are stored in overhead racks on both the first and the second decks. Also, several point apparatus are stored. Also a concern for all.
Together at all times. Ferry schedules are posted aboard this vessel
More than
and
us.
at the National Park
Right?
Service Visitor Information Center on Liberty Island.
Yeah, probably. Hi, guys.
Spring up,
Hello.
grass will all around.
Hello. Hey, that person. Woo! Yay! So cute.
Creating think
Oh
happiness
my
will
gosh,
always
you're
be
so cute.
remembered. A man's life,
They have flags.
a fleet of
When it's Canada and US.
Oh, that's
And it's
people get
cute.
together.
That's
The
cute.
Canadians.
Oh,
Route.
that's so
They make their own places to run.
What if the Canadians like throw food to your side? Like Canadian food, is that illegal?
A state of mind.
Miss New
Get up,
Jersey.
get
It's
out
called
there
Miss New
and
Jersey.
find your park.
No.
Please hold handrails whenever possible, particularly on stairways.
Bye. So cute. Oh, I love people. It's so cute. Huh? Ah! On the amble. That one over there? Yeah, en esa cosa de metal. I know. I know. No, look at the wood. It's like needed. Nice. Oh, that's so cute. That's Lady Liberty. En forma humana. Okay, están allá. Ajá. These are cute though.
When you were a little girl, would you check for your name?
Yeah,
And
I
they would-
never found it. It's so
Really?
cute. Yeah.
Why?
Because. No. I expected it. Wait, where's the water station? This is the gift station. Smells like. No, I want to see what they have. That's empty. They have a veggie burger. They have more menus there.
Oh, those onion rings smell good.
Yeah. I wasn't recording. Okay, now go. Olvi before the power breezer. Oh my gosh. This is Olvi after the power breezer. Glasses off. Me before the power breezer. I couldn't breathe.
It feels good, right?
Yeah, this is me after the power breezer.
Oh, there's still a National Park Service.
True. We should go over there. I don't know what that is. I've never seen that before. You're going back in? So cute. Yay! Yeah, he's getting a haircut tomorrow. Don't worry, everybody. Let's go. The crisis is under control.
It's not a crisis. You telling me I look bad?
No, definitely not. That's impossible. Another power breezer. You want to go through it? Oh, it's not that bad from a distance. Look, they have a museum. I didn't even know. Esto no lo tenían antes. You always have to go through the revolving doors. Yeah, here, go. And the same one. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Don't go too fast. Whee!
Wait, do we have to pay?
Do we?
Oh, it's a theater. That's what it is.
Exhibits are over there. Oh, we don't have to pay. Yay! So fancy. I'm so excited. Oh, this is amazing. Now we have something to do for 2.5 hours. Not anymore because I spent how many minutes in the bathroom? Oh, you can take a picture? Let's take a picture. What's this? I don't think that's anything. Look at that. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Oh, it's right there. It's such a birdie. ¿Lo ves? What do you think this was? The original one? Or maybe it got damaged and they had to replace it? This is here. Also, the Statue of Liberty is right there. Huh?
That's her light post.
Yeah, that's her light post. Let's read the history. That's Ellis Island in the distance. You know where to go? Okay. Oh, true, and we can climb up there, right? Okay. Look at the model face of the Statue of Liberty. She's like, what is love? Okay. Sorry, can we go? Thank you. It's so quiet here, right?
I got them from facing the skyline.
Yeah. Boys are back in town. The boys are back in town. It's so cute. Oh shoot, I keep getting into people's photos by accident. Like, I'm not even trying to, but I just do. I'm gonna chill here for a bit. We have how much time left before we get on the ferry? We have literally exactly 2 hours now. Because the time is 11:55 and we have to be on the ferry at 1:55. So we're gonna be wandering around. I wanna go back into the museum because we barely walked through it. We only saw one section and that was the old torch, the old flame that Lady Liberty had back in the day before they restored it, I think. It doesn't confirm it anywhere from what I saw, but it makes sense to me. It took like 500 years taking photos of these dudes. I had so many photos in my gallery of them because we couldn't get themselves together. And then I had to delete a ton. Early technical drawing of the statue. It's so cool.
Did he also make the Eiffel Tower?
Yeah, right? This was the process of designing Liberty. And I think they made a good choice with how Lady Liberty looks like right now because these don't look as confident in their stance as the actual Lady Liberty does. That's how they make the Statue of Liberty bigger.
Told me.
Now you're gonna get foot fungus on your finger. Yo, no! see the symbol of unity and friendship between two nations, two great republics. Turned into the Statue of Liberty. No, let's do Guatemala.
Let's do a solo.
Yeah?
That's fine.
We finally got to do this activity. Oh, huh? He just pranked me. I was so sad. He was like, there's no El Salvador.
That's what you were saying.
No, baby. Why? You can be patriotic on Thursday.
I'm gonna be working.
At night. We're here. We did it. And now we're waiting to appear on the big screen. We're so cute. There we go. Yeah.
See, they appear again, but on the other side maybe.
Oh. We might. We finally caught ourselves. Oh, yes, right there. Oh, God. Right there. Oh, we look so lovely. I'm literally crying. I wasn't expecting to cry because I got emotional. We're all part of becoming liberty. How much time do we have left, you said again?
Because he wants us to meet at 1.
And what time is it now? Oh, 12:46, so we have 14 minutes and we haven't gotten to the front of the Statue of Liberty. So that's what we want to do. It smells good, like food. I think I'm starting to get hungry. Are you? Yeah, I'm glad we're leaving earlier. Because we're leaving earlier. The original time of departure was 1:55, but now we have to meet over there at 1, right?
Yeah, because it's leaving at 1:20, so like half an hour early.
Yeah. Thank God, because there's supposed to be a storm, right? An electrical, or no, it would be thunderstorm, right?
He said it.
I think he meant thunderstorm. From 1 to 2. I was about to say good night instead of bless you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, yeah, cafeteria. It's crazy. The last photos I have of Lady Liberty are from 8th grade. I still have them. We're back here. Yeah, our people are here already. Steel beams.
Why are they?
It's a chunk here. In remembrance.
But they brought it here, right?
Yeah,
Like
they
it
brought
was
it
here.
here. No, they brought it.
This is what it used to be.
Yeah. This is an actual piece of the Twin Towers. Isn't that crazy? Written on the walls are the names of the victims. Oh, it's okay. I'm looking at that cool place. I don't know what it is.
Eric,
Oh, hi, Eric. He's so cute.
I'm becoming viral right
You're gonna go viral?
I'm gonna get millions of subscribers.
So cute. Chris wasn't supposed to be here. Courtesy of our friend Sammy. Ouch. I don't think so. I don't even know what that is. But it's super nice, right? I'm gonna have to change the battery soon because I'm on 42%.
We had trouble finding our outlet thing.
Oh yeah. We couldn't find this outlet for the longest, and then finally he went down with a flashlight and he was like, "It's right here." Oh, why do I always do that? Please sit in. Guess here, 349 at BP. Across Lukoil is how much? Can you read?
349. It's the same.
The same price? This is the cheapest across the street. This is Olvi's op. This is the reason why that is unpleasant to see. Wow. A new fact we've learned. Old Sears building. And we're now entering the Holland Tunnel at last. No, I don't think so. Maybe though. Look at all these cameras. We're going underground. He thought that the Holland Tunnel was gonna be a bridge. Ooh. Spooky. Oh yeah. Oliver's confused.
He's like,
Huh? Oh, he said tune. I thought he said who did that?
Oliver.
Sam's fierce
¿Te
eyes.
gusta?
Cheers. Now we're on the Manhattan side. Look. Wow. Isn't that so cool? It's like land, but on different. It's not on a plain surface. They're like pieces. Yeah, this is a pier. This is Pier 57. Her boba.
La policía anda detrás, que no puede parquearse mucho. Mucho de la noche salimos de regreso del mismo lugar.
Tan feo. Uy.
Por eso yo los dejé con mis papás.
Spooky. Look at Emma Stone. Get over here.
Eso es icónico.
Where's Mickey Mouse though? We'll see him in Times Square.
I see those guys every time I come.
Yeah, I know. They're the tour bus guys. There we are, look. Oh my gosh, the New Year's ball. I can't wait. Pele soccer, it's right there. Did you see it? Yeah.
Qué gran H&M.
Oh, look at that cat! Revenue cat. I was here. I came here. Los Caminos. Yeah, the portal. Times Square. Oh, it's so pretty.
Express.
Oh my gosh, look at that huge gorilla.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, that's so scary.
Oh,
For real. It looks like Donkey Kong. Okay. Rise and why. We made it past the chaos and now it's an easy breezy trip from here. Alone. We're alone.
In the city.
In the Big Apple. We're a hotel.
In Manhattan.
Are you serious? That must have been so expensive. How? Baby Olvis was like, Chick-fil-A, because we just saw one. And then he was like, oh wait, they're closed. It's Sunday. Hey, go ahead.
I'm just like, I had Chick-fil-A the other day and I forgot how good it is. Like how
Really?
good it is, yeah.
Throwback
I
to
enjoyed it.
Pret-a-manger. This one's closed though.
There's none in Frederick.
No, right?
I guess we're not in that level.
We're not on that bougie level. Oh, it doesn't look bad. Yeah. This is our spot.
So much.
Wait, let's go. You want to add anything?
There's American too.
Everyday life can get very
That's
stressful.
funny. Hello. I think I'm gonna go with that.
The same as me?
No, the Euro sandwich.
Visit rei.com/opt-outside.
This one or that one? I'll go with this one. Yeah, it looks good. Yeah, it looks bars. So cute. You know that Happy Cow app I have? Yeah, me too. Oh, this is so cute. Yes. We got our chopped cheese. Phenomenal. Fresh. Good and flavorful. I don't think I've tasted a vegan cheddar cheese that tastes as similar to real American cheese like this.
32 minutes away.
Skyscrapers.
My girl Erica.
Where's it? Actually, does she help you? Here's Erica. Bofa Tower. And it's not bad right now because it rained and it's not that hot. We're passing by Bryant Park, baby. This is Bryant Park. They have little shops here. You see? Little tiny waffles. And here they have pastries. And this is the park. Yeah, the tree coverage. You see? And sometimes they have events in here. You see the stage? You see, I like how they're little cubes. It's so cute, like little cubes for each shop. Yeah. It's so adorable. I love it. Ooh, look at the water fountain. Gosh, you throw a pebble and wherever it lands, you have to hop there. So like, no, this is not hopscotch. It says shuffleboard. I don't know how to play that. Yeah, hopscotch. Because like that? Yeah. But it doesn't even look like that, so let's go.
You said hopscotch.
Hopscotch. I thought it was hopscotch. This convenience store. That's so cool. They have groceries and other items like makeup. Oh, this place has acai bowls. Oak berry.
Está muy coolcita.
Look how beautiful the sky is that God has blessed us with. He painted the sky beautifully.